Look at all those tires. It's insane. Just out here in the West Desert. Just kind of exploring. Don't really have a plan today. I usually have a plan when I come out, but just kind of driving around, checking around different areas. That's insane. So I've never really checked out any of the roads going around this mountain range, so I think that's what we're gonna do today. Beautiful day for it. It's a weekday, not a lot of people out here. So let's go check that area out. And it looks like there's some sort of a mine on that mountain. Maybe we can make it out there. There's a vehicle right there. He keeps like stopping and going. Kind of weird. So let's head down Pony Express Trail a little ways and we'll head over to that mountain range. So we're crossing over Railroad Bed Road. That goes all the way across the valley. I'm gonna check out this road. It's called Thorpe Road. This kind of goes along the mountain range here. A lot of these trails that go into the mountains are for ATVs, so I don't know if I'll be able to do any of these, but only one way to find out. I'm gonna turn off of it just for a second. Looks like there is a trailhead up here. Anytime you see a restroom like this, it's usually a trailhead of some sort, or staging area. So let's see what some of the trails look like around here. Go that way. Yep, that is an ATV trail. Not for me. I'm gonna get turned around and I'll do a little 360. I'll show you some of the trails. That one is definitely not for me either. You can see back there, they just go straight up the mountain. I want an ATV someday. So I think we should go back to that main road that I was on and head back this direction. There's a lot more to check out. Trying to make it back to Railroad Bed Road by going down this one. It is pretty rough, but if only I had like 3 inches more of clearance, I wouldn't be as worried. But we should be there soon. This is called Jay's Road. And this is going to drop us off right on Railroad Bed Road. Alright, we made it to Railroad Bed Road. And this road used to be, obviously, the railroad during the old mining days out here. I found a railroad tie somewhere along here one time. That was pretty cool. This one looks interesting, but it doesn't really go anywhere. I was thinking about heading down there. I'm just gonna look on the map really quick to see if there's anything to check out. So that's 5 Mile Pass. Provo, American Fork is in that direction. So just about lunchtime, so not too much longer out here. Look how close that blackhawk is to the ground. So cool. A lot of military activity going on out here. Dugway Proving Grounds are just a mountain range behind me. Cool stuff. Flying right over me now. They are so low. They're about to land right there, it looks like. Fly over here. They're literally only like 5 feet above the ground. They're landing. Wow. I should have stayed over there. That's where I was. That's a lot of dust. Kind of want to drive over there again, but See if they take off again. I just missed it. They just took off. That is so cool, dude. Come over here. Look at the dust they left. Turning towards me a little bit, but I don't think they're going to come over here, unfortunately. Looks like they're trying to land again. Man, I should have driven over there. So cool. There he goes. They might be headed out now. They're moving in a hurry. Yeah, I think they're going. Well, that was so cool. Yeah, they definitely left. That was so cool. I'm gonna head down here and explore a little bit, then probably call it a video. I did a lot of filming on that helicopter. It's been a while since I've been here. Old silo of some sort. And it's probably water at the time, I don't know. Beautiful day. I was thinking about driving up there, but this road has a no trespassing sign on it, which is really weird. Driven down this road before. It is very, very sandy. I don't think I've ever noticed this before. This is something to do with the railroad back in the day. It's right along where the railroad tracks used to be. Pretty cool. So that other road across does have a no trespassing sign, but this one about 100 yards south of it does not. So we're gonna just check this out. This definitely had something to do with the railroad as well, just because of how high this road is built up. It's about 5 feet higher than the valley. So it's pretty interesting. Just kind of see what's up here. I've never been up here before, I don't think. Turn it back on when the road gets smoother. Alright, so this is called 10 Mile Pass, this road. This goes all the way out to Utah Lake, so we won't be able to do the whole thing today. But that's where the Blackhawk was touching down, about 2 miles right there. And I'm going back down. There's something really interesting on the left coming up. So you can definitely tell the railroad went around and along the mountain right there. I wonder what that blue thing is right there. It's standing up. Let's go check it out. This is interesting. A well of some kind, I don't know. Beautiful day, once again. That's gonna do it for this video. Headed into Eagle Mountain, back into civilization. We'll see you on the next one.